National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Northampton County in northeastern North Carolina, Central Hartford County in northeastern North Carolina, Western Gates County in northeastern North Carolina until 1 p.m. At 12:15 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Chilwan University, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Murfreesboro around 12:20 p.m. Winton and Cofield around 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Tunis, Burr, Oak Villa, Manola, Martinsville, Chilwan Beach, Rays Beach, Mapleton, Buckland, and Barrett's Crossroad. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield.